Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Muhammad Naveed. I welcome you all in the series of programming with C++. Guys, this is lecture number 3. In this lecture, we will see how to install Notepad++ and MinGW compiler for C++. Before any wastage of time, let's get started. Notepad++. This is an application, a text editor for writing our code. It is just an extension of Microsoft's own application Notepad, which provide additional features like syntax hiding and multiple documents at a time. Here are some languages which are supported by Notepad++. You can go through all. Now we'll install Notepad++. So in your browser type Notepad++ and just open the first link appear in your browser. Then the latest release of Notepad++ 7.8.2. Click on it. Then according to your operating system, either it is 32-bit or 64-bit. I have 64-bit operating system. If you aren't aware about 64-bit or 32-bit, you can just see here. Go to properties. And here you can see that your system is 64-bit operating system. So I'm just going to download 64-bit installer. As you can see that the downloading process is on progress. As the download completes, we will install it and write our first C++ program. So I'm just gonna open it. Yes. Next. I think installing a software is not a big deal. Agree. Next. 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 Then finish. Here are some guides, you can go through it. I am just gonna close it. Here I have created a new document, so we will write our first C++ program. You can save your program in .cpp extension. Here I am going to save first .cpp. I am going to save on desktop in a folder C++. Save it. As you can see that as I have saved this program, the syntax is highlighted. Using namespace is in blue color, and according to the syntax, every keyword is highlighted. So we have write our first program, but we need a compiler to compile and test our program. For that purpose, we will use MinGW compiler. It can be used to compile and execute our C and C++ code. So to download it, just go to your browser and type here MinGW download. Here you can see the official website of mingw.org. Click on it, then scroll down and go for the download and installer. The downloading process will begin in a short time. As you can see, the download setup has been downloaded. I'm gonna just open it, then click on install, continue. The process will take some time, so have a tea and watch the installing process because it's gonna taking some time. So this process has been completed. Just hit on the continue icon. So these are the packages you have to install. Just Right click on each package and mark as done. In the installation, apply changes. It's asking for permission you have to apply. So this process is also gonna take some time. Let's do some rest. I'm pausing this video. I will be back when the installation process is complete. Well, the downloading process has been completed. I'm just going to close it. Just close this also. Now we have to set the path for MinGW compiler in environment variables. So to do that, just follow me. Right click on my computer and properties, then advanced system settings. Here you can click on environment variables. Then in the system variables, just double click on path and click on new. Here you have to provide the path for MinGW. So here you have to work here you have to provide the path for MinGW. To get the path, just open my computer, then C drive. Here you can see the MinGW folder. Here. Then bin. Copy this path and paste over here. Okay, okay, okay. So to check whether MinGW is working properly, we just open command prompt and here type g++ minus minus version. Here you can see that MinGW has been installed on your system. Now you can compile your code and test your code. Here I have created a C++ file named first.cpp. To execute this file, just follow these steps. Write g++ negative o, the destination file, and the source file. Here, first.exe is the destination where the output of the first.cpp will be stored. Means to say that the binary code of the first.cpp will be stored in a file named first.exe. Just enter. Sorry, we have to go to the directory where we have stored this program. Just go to cd desktop, then C plus, then again type here g++ negative o first.exe first.cpp. So our program has been compiled successfully and we can see that an exe file has been generated. Here you can see the first.exe file has been generated. So to run it, we just write first, and here you can see that this is my first program is output. Here is my code. I have just printed this is my first program. So that's it for today's lecture. Copy this code in your Notepad++ and compile and execute this code and comment the output in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.